Hello everyone, here we are presenting the ISE of Formal Language Automata Theory. Our group members are Nikesh Kumar Rai, Manish Shah, Pappu Kumar Shah, Abhishek Shah. Let's see what we are talking about. We are talking about automatic door in the supermarket. This automatic door should be independent or automatic. Therefore, when we have someone in the front pad, the door should open but without damaging someone standing at the rear path. So basically pets are sensor with we can sense if someone is standing there or not. So basically front pad detects the person about to walk through, a rear pad detects a person standing behind the door. In this case we don't want to open the door, but we have four possibilities. Of these cases, we have four possible inputs: someone standing in the front, but someone standing in the rear pet, two people standing in one front pet and the second one in the rear pet, and nobody standing anywhere. And we have two states for the door open and close. So let's use finite state automation to program all possible combinations for our states and input. So once again we have two states. Let's say that we started from closed door. The second state for the door can be open, or if nobody is standing on the bed, or only someone standing in the rear bed, or two people, one standing in the front bed and second one standing in the rear bed. The door should remain closed. When we have a closed door, only one people standing in front pad, we should open the door. So we have the transition from the state with closed door to the state with open door. Now is the question, when the door or until when the door should stay open, as the door should remain open if we have only someone in the front pad. We have someone in the rear pad and nobody in the front pad. We can't close the door, because if we will close the door we will kill someone standing in the rear pad. And if we have two people in the front pad and in the rear pad, the door is open, the door should remain open. So when we will move from one door to the state was closed after sensing that nobody is standing in any bed, the neither combination, the door should be closed. So we move from open state of the door to the closed state of the door. So this diagram state diagram explain how automatic door control should work.
Instead of using a graph, we can use a table with two states closed into open door and for possible input, and we can define its transition. For example, if the door was closed and we have only someone in front but the door should be open, or if we have an open door and we have both someone in front pad and someone in the rear pad, the doors should remain open. So here we have a transition state written in a table for automatic door controller.
So let's change our supermarket door, and then standing instead of a door opening in the rear direction, we will now have a sliding door. So the question is, do we have this in the same state, open door and closed door? Do you have the same input, someone in front pad, someone in rear pair, two person on the pad, nobody on the bed? I think yes, it's the same, but now sliding door could be open or closed when someone's standing in the rear bed, because now we don't want need to close the door and damaging someone of the rear pad, or opening the door and make some damage to the person standing on rear pad. So basically we have the same states, the same input, but the controllers should work a little bit different. I ask you to try to draw the solution for sliding door diagram. Here we are able to manage the solution. Let's see it. If we open the door, even if we have someone only on the rear pad, because now when we have a sliding door, it can be the same door in both direction for entering the shop and for exiting the shop. Thank you.